Today, I am going to be making our strawberry champagne soap. So, I have my lye water and my oils all ready to go. I am going to mix this up off camera because I do not believe in wasting time and doing a video where you just hear me mixing up for 10 minutes. So, I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to pour the lye water in here and I will be right back. So, stay tuned. Welcome back. It's Regina from Pampered Soaps. Again, we're doing the strawberry champagne soap. I have mixed up the oils. I have my titanium dioxide mixed in the base oils, and I have my strawberry right here. I have 2 batches of strawberries. This one will be for the drop swirl that we're going to do, and then I have another one that will sit for about 40 minutes right here, so I can make a nice thick textured top. All right, so I'm gonna spray with alcohol. We do these videos every Saturday, so please comment, like, subscribe if you like to see these how-to videos every week. You can visit us on social media at Instagram at Pampered Soaps, or on Facebook, Pampered Soaps as well. Or visit our website at pamperedsoaps.com. Alright, so there's the first layer. And we're just going to do a bit of a drop swirl here. We start up high, so you won't see this part on camera, but you'll see me doing a little drops here. There we go. Alrighty. And then we do another layer of the white, like so. We scented it with strawberry champagne essential oil. And we're going to do some more of a drop swirl here. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. And we keep doing this all the way until we're ready to do the top. I'm going to let this sit once I finish so it completely gets hard before we put the top on. Alrighty. There we go. Beautiful. Looks like we can probably get a few more layers out of all of this. Let's see what we can do. I'm going to pour that. There we go. Get all that in there. Okay. All right. You just tap that a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and put this last little bit. Okay, looks like the top is good and thick, so let me see if you can see this. Now, there's the top. Let me get the, right here. Let me see. So, this is what it looks like. It's really thick, and that's the way I like it for the top, for this one. So, we're going to go ahead and pour the top now. The base has had time to harden up a little bit, and we're golden there. All right, so now let's get this poured right on top. And it's going to make a nice thick top. All right. I will come back when this is completely finished in 18 to 24 hours and do a cutting video for you guys as well, so you can kind of see what it looks like once it's cut. Okay, there we go. I'll get all this out. There we go. All right. Let me fix my mess that I did now. Let's pat it out a little bit. There we go. And it's a beautiful, like a champagne strawberry, like a light strawberry color, at least I think, anyway. It's like a, not really a pink, but like maybe an off pink. All right, and we're done. I'm gonna tap it a little bit, even it out. And I'm gonna spray it with some alcohol on top so we can prevent any soda ash. We use 99% alcohol on all of our soaps. Okay, and then I'm going to just cover it up with some plastic wrap to give it a little installation so we can speed up the sponification process. So let's see. I'm gonna cover this up now.